We're all hearing about property fraud on the rise. We get multiple people calling us, asking us how to protect their property from being stolen from fraudsters. When people call us, they have typically heard an advertisement about a form of title monitoring services that claims that they can protect an individual's home. One ad states, according to the FBI, house stealing is one of the fastest growing white-collar crimes in America. Protect your home and your family from title fraud with Home Title Lock. Because publicly available property records, including deeds and deeds of trust, contain the names and signatures of the rightful property owners, it is relatively easy for fraudsters to obtain the information necessary to forge signatures on deeds and deeds of trust, purporting to convey and encumber properties that they do not own. So yes, property fraud is on the rise, but let me be clear. No one can steal your home or drain your equity without your participation. A forged deed or deed of trust is void on its face, which means in Texas, a fraudster cannot transfer title or subject the property to a lien and a person to debt. These title monitoring services, such as Home Title Lock, which you all hear the ads for, are really identity theft protection programs. These programs are typically offered as a paid subscription, annual or monthly. In most cases, a property owner can sign up online by providing the title monitoring services, their name and addresses, and their company then performs regularly scheduled scans of the property records for newly filed documents affecting the property. If the search indicates someone tries to transfer your property or put a lien on your home, you will receive an alert. While, as I already said, the property cannot be transferred or subject to a lien with a forged document can unfortunately cloud title. Once an alert is received, the owner will have to go through the process, usually through a court order, that many times can be filed for by the owner, or an attorney may have to get involved. Title monitoring services, although they may advertise that they are an alternative to title insurance, are not as similar to title insurance as they like to say. Title insurance ensures that you acquired title when you bought the property. Title insurance examines the chain of title up until when you bought the property and got title to eliminate any risk of title defects due to, among other things, claims for unknown heirs, unpaid prior liens or taxes, and yes, forgery in any of the documents in the chain of title. It makes sure that title has been properly conveyed to you, the insured. We never recommend that you buy a piece of property unless you have the assurance of title insurance. Once you have title, no one can take it away from you simply by stealing your identity. Title insurance is critical. Title monitoring services, such as Title Lock, in my opinion, are not. Title Lock doesn't protect you or your house from being stolen or your equity from being drained. I hope this gives you a little insight into what Title Lock is and what the advertisements really mean. If you have any questions on this, please reach out to me. Allegiance Title is your trusted resource for results.